How you doing today, guys? Welcome back to another day of 7th grade math. This is Mr. Gomez, your favorite teacher in the whole world, and today we're gonna do the last section on percent increase and decrease on the assignment that my class had. On the previous video, we did questions 13 through 18. The video before that, we did 1 through 12. This video, we're gonna do the word problem section. So at this time, if you haven't, please go ahead and consider subscribing and turn the notification bell on. That way you don't miss any future content. If you want to support the channel, there's a link down in the description. If you haven't seen my other channel, MTV Alex, check it out right here. Other than that, let's get right into it. So number 19, again, we're still talking about percent change, and this right here is most likely is going to be to find the new amount. So number 19, and now it's a word problem. Remember, to find the new amount, we're going to have to find the convert percent to decimal, multiply by the original, and then either add or subtract, depending if it's increase or decrease. So number 19. Last year, there were 380 students at Woodland Middle School. This year, the student population will increase by 5%. What will be by the students' increased population? So how many more students are? Yes, exactly. We're going to have to add at the end. So, step 1, what is my original? 380 is going to be my original. Step 2, I'm going to convert my percent into a decimal. 1, 2. So this is 0.05, not 0.5, 0.05. So I'm going to multiply those two numbers, 380 times 0.05, and I'm going to get 19. So this right here is going to be my amount change. So now, since I know it's going to be increased, all I have to do is do 380 plus 19. So my new student population is going to be how many students? 399. That's it. Number 2, a backpack that normally sells for $39, that's my original amount, is on sale for 33% off. What does on sale or off mean? So add or subtract? Subtract is a decrease, right? Find the new amount. Find the amount of the discount and the sales price. So we need to find the amount that is going to change and the new price. So number 20. Step 1, convert percent to decimal. 1, 2. 0.33. Step 2, we're going to multiply by the original. So we have 39 times 0.33. And when we multiply that, we get 12.87. This is how much is going to go down. So A is going to go down by 12.87. Down. Now, what is my new amount? So we're going to have to subtract 39 minus 12.87. Oh, you know what? Let me do it like this because this is a common mistake that I've been seeing. 39 minus 12.87. Make sure you line up the decimals and do it like that. Even though 39 doesn't seem to have a decimal, we know that the decimal is at the end. So you add 2 zeros if you want to. Or you have to because you're subtracting. So when you subtract 39, you get the new sales price that you're going to pay for before taxes, $26.13. So this is the new sales price. New amount. That's the price after discounts. Any questions about that one?
No, sir.
Again, key thing right here, make sure you line up the decimals. If it's a whole number, don't forget that the decimal is at the end and put the decimal where it goes. Line them up. On addition and subtraction, you always have to line up the decimals. Number 21, in August, the Siemens water bill was $48. That was the previous bill. In September, it was 15% lower. Add or subtract. So he says, what is the bill in September? Very good. Well, we're going to subtract. For first step, convert this to decimal. This becomes 0.15. And we're going to multiply by the original, which is 48. 48 times 0.15 gives us 7.2 or $7.20. Very important that when you are multiplying, when you're talking about money, you always have to include two decimal places. Always. So if it's 7.2, it's actually $7.20. You cannot say $7.2. That's not how we do dollars. That's not how we do money. If it's $72, you write it down as 72.00. Always two decimal places when we're talking about money. So now, this amount is what's going to go down because the bill was lower, right? So we're going to take 48 minus 7.20. See, remember, I'm lining up my decimals. And my new payment for September is going to be $40.8. But remember, we're talking about money, $40.80. So September, $40.80. By how much did it go down? By how much did it go down? By how much did it go down? $7.20. If they ask you how much did it decrease, it decreased $7.20. If it asks you what's the new price, well, the new price is $40.80. And last but not least, number 22. A gallery owner purchased a very old painting for $3,000. So he paid $3,000 for a painting. The painting sells at a 325% increase. What are you going to have to do at the end? In price. What is the retail price for the painting? So what is my original? $3,000. Now it's going to increase more than 3 times its price. So the answer has to be more than $3,000. Just FYI. If you get something less than $3,000, you're doing something way wrong. So step 1, we're going to convert percent to decimal. And do not get scared because the decimal is over here at the end. So it's 1, 2. So now that becomes 3.25. And you're going to multiply that by the original, which is 3,000. Now 3,000 times 3.25 gives us $9,750. Now what is that? Add or subtract? Add. So we're going to have to add the $3,000 back to that. Yes, sir. And we're going to get how much? 50 cents. No. When you multiply, when you add the back, you can sell that painting because it's very rare for $12,750. And that will give you a 325% profit on your end. So again, quick recap for amount change, convert percent to decimal, multiply by the original, and then either add if it's increase or subtract if it's decrease. I really hope that you learned something today. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, watch it again and then give it a thumbs up. Also, subscribe and turn the notification bell on if you haven't done so. Share it with somebody who's struggling with this subject. Other than that, that is going to be it for this one, and I'll see you on the next one. Goodbye.